Hey everyone, okay, so Charlotte Tilbury, I went to the event, as some of you may or may not know, and we saw lots of newness. So today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on the brand new eyeshadow palettes that are coming, and there is a lot of them. So I'll do some swatches, you can see them on the screen. What makes these eyeshadow palettes really good? So you've got 9 eyeshadows here. Pigmentation is superb. There's a little bit more fallout sometimes with certain shades, but it's really no big deal because if you're careful or you do your eyes first, it's just nothing. I think they're really, really similar to the actual quads myself. Pigmentation is great. Payoff is beautiful. Longevity depends on your skin type and whether you use the primer. But in general, I think they're wonderful. Let me put my glasses on so I can see. I love them. I just like the fact that you've got all these little shades in here. It's a makeup artist's dream just because of that in itself. But I just think they're really, really worth it. I think they are worth the price. The pigment, the payoff, the application, the shade range, depending on your preferences, I just think it's worth it. I was really, really surprised. I didn't think I would go in loving them the way I did. I got 2 sets here because I'm lucky I got them early. I just love them. I love them. Oh, and it's not sponsored, by the way. I didn't even have to talk about them. But there you go. You've seen all the swatches. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.